Hello there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show about NAP. So NAP is Network Access Protection, and what this NAP is. So it basically allow our networks and it keep on protecting and tracking our network's health, whether our network is in good position or not. No unwanted thing is there, should be there, and it's always protected that our client will be there with the latest operating system, and the firewall should be on updated version. So this is domain controller. It connected to user connected with that, and if our client comes to that computer and tries to uh, install, tries to stop, tries to disable firewall, tries to disable the server updates, then won't allow because of NAP. Like if a client is having, if a client disable the firewall, then it should start from automatically and prevent client to disable firewall. Same as if a client uh, tries to disable the updates of antivirus, or tries to disable the updates of a system. So antivirus and same as uh, updates of systems. So it will prevent, and it actually keep on tracking whether our network is actually is in a healthy form or not. So it's the same as NAP. This is the concept of NAP, and it's very unique technique, and you will find later a big magic from NAP. The how quickly the server is prevent. Uh, uh, so its motto is healthy, and the server keep on tracking. If a firewall gets disabled, then within a second it will enable from the NAP server. So it's keep on tracking, and it's prevent the health nature. It should be healthy. Where we can prevent, we can apply DSCP, same as DSCP. At the NAP, we can apply a DSCP at remote users, and remote users, those who are connected with VPN, and who having their own laptop wants to log in to their local machine. So it prevents, it keep on tracking on DSCP, remote users, and wireless users. So wireless users who are connected with the network from a Wi-Fi. So we can uh, create those on these three type of networks: DSCP, remote user, wireless. So if our client tries to access from these three versions, or Wi-Fi, either wireless communication connection or Wi-Fi. So same as if it tries to access the network, any of the three four reasons, we can allow and we can track that the how it's basically working, or how client is doing unwanted thing for causing our network. So at administrative tools, actually we have to install our feature first. So goes to server core and roles, add roles, and then next, and first I see the firewall, and it's currently on off, it's not working. And let me check the ncps.cpl. Since we are using DSCP feature, and we not only give the IP, but we will uh, provide, so validate, and we will provide that credential NAP. So we add the scope from here. Scope is tag IP, whatever we want to give. So starting IP address is 9.192.168.1.10, ending IP, give the range, and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Default gateway 92.168.1.1. Okay, since we disable DHCP v6, since we are using NAP, that's the reason I'm using the shortcut. It will take some time. We are pausing our video. Okay, after installation, DHCP server is installed. Installation succeeded, and now what we need is NAP server. So next, and the network policy next services, and let's check that. Next, network policy server install. It will also took some time, so let's pause the video. Okay, after installation is done, two things installed. First, DHCP. We also create a scope and network policy server. The feature we will find at administrative tools and configure NAP. You're finding that NAP is there. Configure NAP, and at NAP we are allowing the DHCP one. Since we are using DHCP, we have all sorts of things: wired, wireless connection, and remote, and that we don't want to add radius. Currently DHCP scope, yes, we want to get the class, so our scope is tag IP, scope name is, and next the machine group, add machine. Oh, we can add machines too if we want to manually, but let. And now the new recommendation server group, so we are aligned that to this particular group. So our group name snap server group, friendly name is snap server, IP of the our DNS name, so we just want to get the DNS resolve. Okay, net policy group, and this group is created. You can provide the URL for troubleshooting. If some website is there, you can put that so our user don't get confused. And this is what the Windows Security Health Validator. So next, and finish. So it's all done, and now we have to go to policies. So network access protection system health validator, and configure. Either you can see this, what the firewall, virus protection, spyware protection, automatic update. There is two system, basically Vista for all machine. It will be same 7, 8, and security update, and XP will the later the earlier version of operating system, and Vista all later will cover. So now at policies, network policies, and here we just need to grant access from everything. Okay, grant access. You can check in these features also. Type of the network access, you can check the DHCP, but we are not doing that. You can check. So all done. Now we have to at run command give a command called services.msc, and we have to open the services, and here we have to find one service called network access network access protection. Now we have to right click. Startup type should be automatic, not manual. That every time it will disable and it will allow the features. You have all sorts of options, but it not requires here. So automatically it will start the protection arrangements. So we just started that feature and goes to our, so this is what started. And now at the user tab, we have one more thing. Let's check, and just we have to first now linked with that DSCP. Okay, so at scope, there's properties, network access protection, enable for the scope. So all these scope clients will be enable NAP, and whatever feature we enabled in into the NAP. So at Vista, at client, we have to give the same services.msc. We have to open the tab, and at network access protection, right click, properties, automatic for local computer, apply, OK, right click, start. Okay, start it. And another command which is required is napclcfg.msc, napclcfg, and enforcement clients. This is the DSCP contractive enforcement client. So right click, enabled, and let's see what will happen. Right click, firewall.cpl, and see the magic. Firewall is on. Change setting. If any client wants to disable the firewall, let's see. Here we go, the magic. See, it's on. Again, off, apply, okay. It will on. This is the magic. Off, apply, okay. It's on. Change settings, off, apply, okay, on. So this is what the NAP is all about. The user will have to follow NAP, will have to follow the if the server does some setting for NAP. So we learned something from. Thanks for watching.